Hey guys, today we're talking about why the hot tub is draining when it's in pool mode. All right. If you'll go look in your pool equipment, you'll see these two valves look like boxes, one on the top, one on the bottom. These are the automatic valves. The one on the top is for the return, the one on the bottom is for the spa suction. The bottom one takes the water out of the hot tub, and the one on the top puts it back. So if your hot tub is draining, that means the one on the bottom is opened up, and therefore the water drains out, but it doesn't go back in like it's supposed to. Okay, take a look at these valves again. You'll notice on the back and underside there is a toggle switch, and there are three positions you have off in the middle. On one is on the one side and on two is on the other. And what this valve does is when you flip it, it will rotate the valve to the opposite position. So whatever presets are in the valve, flipping the switch will flip it to the other one. So if you're in pool mode and losing water, most likely the bottom valve is in the wrong position and needs to be flipped. So locate the toggle switch on the back of the bottom valve and flip it. If you flip the switch and it doesn't move at all, either direction, then that means you got a bad actuator valve and just need to replace it with a new one. So anyway, hope that helps. Have a great summer.